Hello friends, I am Manoj Mittal. In this video, I'm going to talk about and showcase how the natural language prompt will help us to build a responsive full-fledged working applications, as well as it helps to design the database. And once it's built up, we can leverage the Copilot control, and where again we can use the natural language prompt to get the results from the database, right? So let's see. So I'll come up here and just type I want to create an app to track the inventory in my musical instrument store. And I just click here. So what it will do, you can see here on the right hand side, Copilot is start analyzing using the GPT model, right? And start creating the schema based on what query, what in a natural way the queries I have given here. So you can see here, it has created a schema, it has understand and created the sample data, which is a more relevant data, not like lorem ipsum. So we have ID column, name column, categories. So you can see the data type also it has created very well as a price columns, right? And the choice columns and all. So what else we can do here? We can just just click on create and move further from here as I did click create an app. So now what it will do, the Copilot, it will just create a table into the Dataverse, which is the underlying database for the Power Platform, and it will create the app, which is a ready app, right? Ready to use app. That app can be used with all the CRUD operations, and you can use the search features. So ready to use apps will be built for us. Schema will also get created with some sample database, right? So take a couple of seconds and it will come on the screen working app. So let's run this app. Here we can see all the details with the sample data. And here we have the screens which get the more detail. So we can search here the detail. It will start coming. Yep. So the search is also working here. So let's select any of the items and try to edit sections. For example, I just did the category changes, right? So once I click it save, yep, category has changed. Now, so what I will do now, I'll add the one more screen and add the Copilot control and add with the data source. So here, Copilot, right? And after adding the data source, we'll start putting some natural way, some queries and see how the response is coming back for that. Yep. So this is the control going to connect with the table. So that is the inventory table just now what we have created with the fictitious data. Just resize or make the alignments accordingly. I'll just run the app here, right? So I'll just type it a few of the queries. So what is the cheapest price of the guitar we have in store? So cheapest price is $100. Okay, let's ask in a some different way. What is the expensive price and brand of the guitar we have? Yeah, most expensive price and brand of guitar is this and this. Yeah, so this is the way how the Copilot help us. It's natural way to get the answer. Thank you.